use the blow dryer in this 30-degree weather. Hey, what's up guys? Today it's Mod Saturday. It's gonna be a really busy Saturday. We're gonna be taking the spoiler off. We're putting in a new one, putting decals on the car, and then hopefully if the grills come in today, we could jack it up and change it with a new Lethal Performance grill, but we'll see. So we're gonna take off the panel first, and then we're gonna install the spoiler. Shout out to my pops for helping me out today because my brother is lazy. So yeah, apparently these things are a pain in the neck to take off. Finally got one. He has like 5 off. See what's things are a pain in the neck to get out. So we're now back at the garage because it's we needed power to use the blow dryer in this 30-degree weather to try to pry off the old spoiler so we could put the new one. So hopefully this old thing works. It's gonna take a while because it's really not that hot either. So while my dad is heating it up, it's actually hard to pry off. I'm gonna try to use this fishing line and see if I could hook it underneath and take the tape out so we can get this spoiler out, you know? We'll see. So guys, so I did not expect it to be this hard. It took us like an hour just to take the freaking thing off. I had to go to the mall. I mean, not the mall. I had to go to Walmart and get me some of these. Finally, after an hour, we got it out. Now we gotta clean it off. Take these things off. And hopefully we didn't damage anything. Put the new spoiler on. Alright, see you in a little bit. Still sticky. Man, you need a lot. You need a lot. Now that we got it all cleaned up, we're gonna put the spoiler on top, and we'll see how it goes. It looks good already. I'm gonna remove the tape and probably on the, yeah, we'll see. We're gonna put the screws in now, and then hopefully everything looks good. That one might not, I don't know if it's gonna fit. It's gonna squeeze in, hopefully. Well, it's turning.
Position lang na ito.
We got it done. Now we gotta put back every single last one of the things that we took out. Oh boy. That's one. 16 more to go. Now time to put the decal on. Probably gonna put it like right in the middle. I don't know exactly how it's gonna look like, but if it's not good, we could always just take it off anyway. If you haven't yet, follow me. Instagram at RedThornS550. My dad's trying to get a step stool because, you know, we're Filipinos. We're only like 5'2". We don't grow till 6'5". Get yourself a car dad, guys. For real. We messed up, so the IG logo is gone, but thankfully I ordered like 5 of these things. So we decided to move it down here now because that white light is not gonna help at all. Anyway, it's in cursive. Can't figure out which font is better. Here it is, guys. What do you guys think about the decal? Red Thorn S550. It looks way better down here than over there. The track pack spoiler. Thanks to the pops for helping. Way bigger. That's what she said. What do you guys think? Yeah? I didn't want to get the MMD V series because I think that would be way too big. So I went with this instead. You know, I'm trying to keep the car as clean as possible. Nothing too crazy. Oh, I'll show you something I forgot. That's the box for the front grille, but it's late already at night, and then we just don't have time to fix it today. So probably sometime this week. It's cold anyway, so for now, spoiler it is. What do you guys think? Make sure to hit your boy up on Instagram, Red Thorn S550. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.